Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm going to teach you another design of a fascinator. And so we will need our crinoline. This is about 1 yard, our clip, or you can use a lace band, that is your choice, scissors for cutting, and maybe there will be a need of a plier and hot glue if needed. Okay, and then our needle and thread. Some people use this fabric thread, but when I use it, it becomes more visible, so I prefer using fishing line. And then this is 0.3, the very thin one. Okay, so I'll go ahead and fold the ends together like this, and then using my needle I'll tuck it. You wrap it around like this and you sew.
Beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
And I will do same to the other side. So here I'll just cut the small fishing line and leave the longer one, the one with the needle. Good. And so I have tuck both ends, and now I'm going to run some stitches right in the middle like this. Okay, I hope we all know what running stitches is. So in the middle, so continue like that. So we get to the other end.
beside you, I would.
And then you're going to pull
That's all
it.
I wanna do.
Pull
I
the
hope that you
thread.
are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So if you want it to be bigger, then you have to use about 1.5 or 2 yards. That is about 33 inches, so it won't be that big. Okay, so now we're going to arrange it by ourselves.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
So I will tuck these two ends together, and then this end as well, so it forms something like this. So first of all, you have to tuck the middle.
Talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
So I joined the two open sides. So we are done. So you can leave it like this and then place some flower here. Okay, but I'm going to be embellishing or decorate it with some spells. Okay, so I will cut out my 0.3. This is how I'm going to do it.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
And then you tie it at the down part, because this is where I'm going to attach my comb. So this is the down part and this is the upper part. So just you see.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking.
And then you cut it.
Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
So I'm going to be repeating this. You can as well use your glue. Okay, you can use your hot glue to do it. But for the glue, as time goes on, it will come off, so it's safer to use your fishing line. Since our glue is heated, Let's fix the comb.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon.
Or you can as well use this band here and then fix it on it. You see that?
All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
So I will go ahead and then use my fishing line to also tack the clip to the fascinator.
I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
So let's continue with our the creation since our clip is fixed now. We are done with our fascinator, so you can see the pearls making it more beautiful. Okay, so I already have a tutorial on my channel on how I made this bow design fascinator, so I'll leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. See you next time. Bye bye.